Today, we are sharing with you a real natural remedy for varicose veins. The recipe is simple and can be prepared in 15 minutes. Only 3 ingredients are needed to make it. It is enough to smear painful veins with this miraculous salve every night before going to bed. Leave it on overnight. You will feel much better in the morning. You can forget about that dull, throbbing pain and swollen legs that often accompany varicose veins. Stay tuned till the end of this video, so let's go. If you are looking for the best way to get rid of painful and inflamed veins, then this 3-ingredient homemade salve is the right thing for you. Let's start with the preparation of the recipe. The first ingredient is the clove. Although small, the clove is a very powerful natural remedy for many diseases. The main ingredient of cloves is eugenol, which we know has a strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect. Eugenol is found in the highest percentage in clove essential oil. It is recommended for painful varicose veins, for muscle massage, and even for faster recovery in joint and bone diseases. It has a beneficial effect on muscle tone, so it is also recommended for athletes. It is a real muscle relaxant. And put them in an electric chopper. We'll grind that right away. If you do not have such a device, you can certainly buy ready-made ground cloves. You can find them in all well-stocked health food stores. However, a much better and healthier option is to grind cloves yourself at home. Place the ground cloves in a small bowl. The next ingredient is garlic. We will separate 5 cloves of garlic. That's how much we need for this recipe. We will peel off the skin from each leg. After that, we will finely chop the garlic. Garlic contains allicin, natural anti-inflammatory substance that has numerous health benefits. Allicin from garlic oil acts on varicose veins by reducing inflammatory processes. Garlic oil reduces inflammation and promotes better circulation wherever it is applied. This will allow your veins to get rid of the toxins that have accumulated in them faster. It is important to note that garlic should not be applied directly to the skin. Allicin is a very strong and active substance that can cause a burning sensation and redness on the skin. Therefore, we always soak raw garlic in high-quality vegetable oil and use it only when it has been left in it for a long enough time. This is exactly why our third ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil is quickly and easily absorbed into the skin, cleanses it of toxins, and prevents the expansion of capillaries and veins. Now, we will transfer ground cloves, finely chopped garlic into a small jar, and pour olive oil over it. When these 3 ingredients are combined, you get a fantastic natural remedy for varicose veins, sore legs, and poor circulation. This powerful combination for healthy veins stimulates blood flow and enables better circulation in the legs. We will close the jar well with a lid.